Easy, simple facials using everyday ingredients. What's not to like? I'm Jackie Carter, and I'm here to answer your beauty questions and give you some simple beauty tips. Today we're going to talk about exfoliation. Exfoliation is a natural process that happens to each and every one of us. Basically, it's the process of our dead skin cells falling off from the surface as they're being replaced by the new, younger, fresh skin cells from beneath. Our bodies exfoliate naturally, and when we're a teenager, the process takes about, on average, say 2 weeks. But once we reach the age of 40, 45, 50, that same exact process that used to take about 2 weeks can now take 45, 50, even 60 days. And when you look in the mirror and you see little dry, rough patches or uneven skin tone, we want to help encourage those dead skin cells to get the heck off of our face. And that's when an exfoliating scrub becomes so important. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own exfoliating scrub if you're ever in a pinch and you need to give your skin a little quick pick-me-up and you've run out of your favorite facial exfoliator. All you need to do is head to the kitchen and look for some ingredients that we all have. I like to use sugar and honey, but then again, I do have a bit of a sweet tooth. But these two ingredients work beautifully when it comes to exfoliating and moisturizing your skin. You can use white sugar, raw sugar, it really doesn't matter. I prefer to use white. And honey. Honey is an amazing ingredient because it is a natural humectant, which means it not only attracts water to the skin, but it helps retain it as well. So all you do is you take some regular sugar, right? You'll get more familiar with how much you want to use as you start making this product at home, but I like to use, I don't know, maybe 2 scoops or so. And then you just add some honey. I like a lot of honey. You just pour that in and simply stir. In this case, I think we might need a little more honey. So I'm going to add that in. And stir. I like to stir to get a really nice consistency, one that's not too runny and one that's not too thick. But I like to make sure there's plenty of sugar because it's that physical exfoliation that helps take off those skin cells. Now, I'm going to demonstrate on the back of my hand so you can see how this is done. It's really simple. You take a little bit of your mask, you apply it to your skin, and all you do is gently rub in a circular motion. This is a really fun mask/scrub because it does serve 2 different purposes. You do this slowly in a circular motion. Make sure you get your forehead, your nose, your chin, your cheeks, and don't forget the upper lip. You'd be surprised how many people neglect their upper lip when it comes to skin treatments and products. Massage, massage, massage. Because the honey is sticky, it actually adheres to the skin beautifully. So after you're done giving yourself a nice polishing, let it sit there for a while. If you have an extra 10 minutes to spare, perfect, because now is when you're going to start to get that moisture into your skin. After about 10 minutes, if you can spare the time, all you do is rinse with warm water. It's that simple. The product comes off really easy, right? Just continue to rub in a circular motion. Might take a little bit of time because again, that honey is extra sticky, but that's what makes this product work so well. And then when you're done rinsing, you can simply pat your skin dry with a towel. Now, why I love this product so much is that it's perfect for men, it's perfect for women, it's even perfect for teens. And when you're stuck in a pinch and you don't have a facial exfoliating scrub at home, go straight to your kitchen. I hope you enjoyed this do-it-yourself at-home facial scrub. I'd love to hear any scrub recipes that you might have. And for more tips and advice, go to discovergoodbeauty.com where you can find out all kinds of information and you can leave me comments there as well. And remember to live life beautifully.